I'm Ikhlaq Sidhu. I'm a professor in the College of Engineering at UC Berkeley. I'm the founding director of our Center for Entrepreneurship and Technology, and I'm the chief scientist for the Fung Institute for Engineering Leadership.
Hi, my name is Paris Delatraz. I'm professor of entrepreneurship at IE Business School. I've held positions as associate dean of blended programs, and I'm presently the managing director of the Venture Lab. Before that, I spent about 20 years in investment banking, venture capital, and as an entrepreneur.
The history of this program is that 3 years ago, we launched the Fung Institute for Engineering Leadership. This is perhaps the largest initiative that we've had in our College of Engineering over the last 10 years. And as part of the Institute, we offer a program in Silicon Valley, typically director level as a target audience. And it's been very effective at transforming these engineering/engineering managers into leaders. The Silicon Valley firms have also been asking us for options for people who work at locations outside of Silicon Valley. So now we're really offering two options. One option is the program that's in Silicon Valley, and one is a blended version which serves a larger audience, in fact a global audience, and serves it very effectively. We created this program to turn leading engineers and engineering managers into enterprise leaders. An objective is to open engineering minds to go beyond product design and into actual business leadership. And UC Berkeley is an ideal host for a program of this type because one, we're very strong in engineering, and two, we're co-located with Silicon Valley, which is really the heart of technology and business innovation.
IE is not only one of the top 10 business schools in the world, but it is #1 in blended education. So if we look at the program that Berkeley has been offering for the last 3 years, it is quite unique and is doing very well. But as Ikhlaq mentioned earlier, what you don't have is a blended version. So by bringing together IE, one of the top 10 business schools in the world, #1 in blended education, with two of the biggest and most important engineering schools in the US and in Asia, we think we bring together a perfect combination to provide engineers with ways to have greater influence in their organizations. The reason why IE is offering a program in engineering leadership is because we're one of the top 10 business schools in the world, and we're also #1 in blended education. So if we look at Berkeley's history in running this engineering leadership program for the last 3 years here in Silicon Valley, the only thing that's been missing here is the ability to reach out to engineers on a global basis. So as Professor Sidhu mentioned earlier, by bringing together two of the top engineering schools in the world, in the US and in Asia, around one of the top business schools in the world, we provide a unique offering to engineers today so they can have greater influence in their organizations.
Our model is unique because it brings together top faculty from UC Berkeley, from the IE Business School, and from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, plus engineering and business leaders from Silicon Valley, Europe, and Asia.
The structure of this program is quite unique also. We have a 6-month program in executive education where we have 1 week in Silicon Valley, 3 months online, 1 week at HKUST in Hong Kong, 3 months online, and then 1 week in Madrid. It is quite flexible. You will be exposed in each of these 3 markets to the leading edge companies and speakers and experts in this space. And on top of that, you'll be earning credit during this 6-month period so that if you decide by any chance that you want to go on and do a global MBA, you'll have 2 years to decide to start a 10-month blended version of the IE Global MBA, which is also one of the most highly ranked in the world, so that you can finalize with a global MBA in engineering leadership at the end of 2 or 3 years.